On my way home from work, I was hit from the rear of my truck heading south on 98 in Lakeland. I didn't know exactly what was going to happen from that point. I called my wife and she referred me to Brooks Law Firm, and then I gave them a call and they said that they would take my case, and since they took the case, I felt very comfortable that they would take care of the situation. They assured me not to worry about anything, and I didn't. And I'm here today after about 3 months, and they have settled my case, and I'm very, very satisfied and happy on the amount that they actually got for me. It was actually a surprise. I didn't expect as much as they did get for me, so I would recommend the Brooks Law Group to anyone who's looking for a lawyer or for injuries or accidents, or just need a lawyer for everyday experience. I think my experience with the Brooks Law Group was exceptional. After speaking with Jasmine, she assured me that she would take care of it. I wouldn't have any issues with my doctors or any of the billing issues. Overall, it was an excellent experience. I mean, I would recommend anyone to give the Brooks Law Group a call if they're in need of a lawyer.